Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be showing you guys how we made this amazing hair butter which contains so many amazing natural ingredients. If you're experiencing dandruff, dry scalp or any scalp issues, trust me, this hair butter is perfect for you. As we all know, a healthy scalp leads to healthy hair growth. So if you'd like to know how to make this hair butter, stay tuned. The first ingredient we'll be using to make this hair butter is cloves. As you guys know, we've done several videos on cloves and is popularly known to boost hair growth. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. It also has antifungal and anti-inflammatory purposes, which help to unclog blocked pores that lead to dandruff. The second ingredient we'll be using today is ginger. The next ingredient we'll be using in our hair butter is garlic. And the last ingredient we'll be using are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth to the scalp and improves blood circulation. It also treats scalp irritation and prevents hair loss. We'll also be using raw shea butter. This is completely natural and will help us formulate our hair butter. Garlic contains antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria in the scalp. It also contains vitamin C, and it's also known to boost collagen production in the hair, which enhances hair growth. Garlic is also considered as an alternative form of medicine that could potentially treat alopecia. Guys, we have an amazing video on how to make ginger oil. It's actually one of our most watched videos. You can check that out. Ginger helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. It helps to fight scalp problems like dandruff, dry scalp, or even psoriasis. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which is an antioxidant that stops free radicals from causing breakage. guys, this hair butter is so good. It literally glides onto your scalp and it leaves a tingling sensation, which we can tell it's really helping with your scalp issues like dandruff, dry scalp, and really helping to boost hair growth. It contains powerful natural ingredients which we love, and we're definitely going to be using it. If you would like, you can make your butter thicker than we did, but we prefer this because we are low porosity and we don't really like thick oils or butters sitting on our hair or our scalp. But if that's what you prefer, you can go for that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed making this hair butter. It has so many amazing natural ingredients. If you've made similar before or if you've tried this hair butter that we just made, please leave a comment in the comment section and let us know how it worked out for you. Please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!